So let us start how to create Google Classroom and how to use it. It's a very quick and brief review about the Google Classroom for beginners. First of all, what we have to do, we have to open a Gmail account. After opening the Gmail account, you can see the options here. When you will click this tab, many options will be opened. So in these options, there is a tab for Classroom. When you will click this, you will be redirected to a new page. Continue on this page and you will be redirected to this page, in which you can see there you are not having any existing classes here, so you can create the class here. So when you will click this, there will be two options: join class and create class. As a tutor, as a teacher, if you want to create a class, you can use this option. But as a student, as a learner, if you want to use Google Classroom, you can use this option. So let's continue with the create classroom. Read this pop-up carefully, and if you agree, then continue. Some details you have to fill here. For example, we are writing here, so we are giving a name of class Google Classroom, section, any section. It's upon according to you, you can use these details. Subject, any subject. So here you can enter the number of students, the number of learners you want to enter. For example, 20 I am entering. So then continue with the create, and boom, your classroom has been created. So these are some features added by the Google. So after reading this, you can continue with your class. So let's continue with our class. So this class we have created, this is a section we have named, and this is the class code. This class code can be used when you will share this code to the students. They can join your class with the help of this code. You can also find out rest of the detail, how many students are there in this room, subject name, and you can also upload a photo, your picture you can upload. You can also select this theme, this blue color theme. You can also change this. Already many themes are provided by the Google Classroom, so you can choose one of them, or you can there are also tabs according to the subject, like English, history, math, science, arts, or some other. Or you can also pick your own if you have created one by the option others. So these are the themes other than the subjects. Let's discuss the feature one by one. So you can communicate with your class here by create and schedule announcements, respond to the students. So this is in the first tab. In the second tab, in the classroom tab, you can create assignments, you can create quiz, you can create a question for your students, you can post your materials here, and you can use repost here by clicking this material. So you have to give the title of the subject, title of the material you are providing to the students, description here, and you want to share with all students or a specific. Okay, after adding the students, the option will be rise here. So you can create a topic here, you can add the topic from Google Drive, you can add a link here, you can add a YouTube link here, you can upload your file from your computer. Okay, so by file option, these are the different tabs. You can upload the file from your computer, your drive, your shared drives, and many more. After uploading the material here, you can also post this material, and you can schedule this material. You can save this material as a draft for later on use. So you can also add questions for your students. For example, today's topics, and you can select the type of the question, short answer or multiple choice. For example, it is a multiple choice. You can give the option here, or you can write here that option. So after adding the options, you can select students from here, okay, and you can give them points to them, grading to them, or you can also ungrade it. Okay, so you can also add a due date. The student have to fill this answer this question today or any on any due date. So you can also a topic here or create a topic here. You can also check or uncheck this checkbox. Student can see the class summary. So after creating this, you can ask this question, you can post this question so that student can answer, or you can schedule this question, or you can save this question as a draft. So just ask this question and this question will be posted to the students. So you can check your provided material on your stream. Here it will be shown. So you have posted a question, this thing. Google Classroom is providing you many options like calendar, to do. So this is your class, or you can select many more options, like you can post a quiz, you can post an assignment, you can post material, etc, etc, etc. When you will use this, you will come to know about the different features of this. So you can also put your classroom tab in above options. So now your classroom is ready. You can share this code with your students through any messenger or any media. So student will use this code to join your class. Or as a student, if you are joining it, you have to choose the option join class from the create. In the starting it was showing that and we have created a class here. As a student, if you are joining the class, you have to choose that option as a join class and put the code provided by your teacher, and you can continue with your learning. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. Thanks.